Hello, children. Welcome to Junior Reasoning Olympiad, Analogy Level 3. Today we are going to solve some exciting and challenging analogy questions. We will use numbers, letters, words, and patterns to find the correct answers. Look carefully, think smartly, and enjoy learning. Let's begin. Children, look at the first pair. 12 becomes 123. What happened? We added the next number after 2. After 2 comes 3. So 12 becomes 123. Now let's do the same for 34. After 4 comes 5. So 34 becomes 345. Let's check the options. Option A, 323. Option B, 454. Option C, 565. Option D, 345. The correct answer is option D, 345. Excellent thinking. Look carefully. 6 becomes 600. 2 zeros are added after 6. Now apply the same rule. 8 should become 800. Let's see the options. Option A, 8. Option B, 80. Option C, 800. Option D, 8,000. The correct answer is option C, 800. Wonderful. Children, observe carefully. DOG becomes God. The letters are written in reverse order. Now apply the same rule to NOD. When we reverse NOD, it becomes DON. Let's check the options. Option A, DNN. Option B, DOG. Option C, DON. Option D, DOO. The correct answer is option C, DON. Great job. Look at the first pair. AB becomes AB. The capital and small letters change their positions. The first letter becomes small. The second letter becomes capital. Now look at CD. C is capital and D is small. If we follow the same rule, C becomes small c and D becomes capital D, so we get C, D. Let's see the options. Option A, CC. Option B, CD. Option C, DC. Option D, DD. The correct answer is option B, CD. Fantastic. Children, look carefully. 1 becomes 11. The number is written twice. Now apply the same rule to 2. 2 written twice becomes 22. Let's check the options. Option A, -10. Option B, 22. Option C, 11. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option B, -22. Excellent reasoning. Congratulations, children. You have successfully completed Analogy Level 3. Today, you solved number analogies, word analogies, and letter analogies. You observed patterns carefully. You used your thinking skills. And you solved every question like a champion. Remember, every day of practice makes your brain stronger and smarter. Keep learning, keep thinking, keep growing. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next exciting chapter of the Junior Reasoning Olympiad. All the best. Team Apex Junior Reasoning Olympiad.